Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic in compiler design. The topic is minimizing the number of states of DFA. So this is very important topic. Uh, the reason is normally we used to take DFA as a prototype and we are going to simulate this DFA as lexical analyzer and your DFA which is going to work like an lexical analyzer for us. So the DFA which is going to act like an prototype for lexical analyzer. So whenever that we are going to use lexical analyzer, before using lexical analyzer we have to consider something and we have to focus on something. The thing here is in this particular topic minimizing the number of states of DFA, we used to have many number of DFA or more than one DFA for the same language. At those situation, what is the DFA or which DFA that we are going to choose as an lexical analyzer? So this is going to be a question. So here in this example, in this topic, in this example, I have given some two DFAs, DFA1 and DFA2 for the same language. The language that I'm going to use here is ARB to the power of asterisk ABB. So this is the language that I'm going to use here, or the regular expression I'm going to use here. So for this regular expression, we have two DFAs. So this one which is going to be the first DFA, and below this first diagram you have the second DFA. So among these DFA, the first DFA, each and every state which has been labeled with alphabets, and in second DFA each and every state which has been labeled with state numbers. Okay, the important thing that we have to focus on here in the first DFA and second DFA, which is going to works for this same regular expression, or for this same regular expression we have constructed two DFA. And then the final thing here is which one that we are going to consider as a prototype. Either we are going to consider DFA1 or either we are going to consider DFA2. This is going to be the question here. The answer for this question is, um, see here in DFA1 the states capital A and capital C, both of them which is going to receive the label B as an input, and it's going to send the label A as an output to the states capital B. So both A and C which is going to perform the same role. And in DFA2, the first state 1 to 3 which is going to do the same thing what A and C which is performing in DFA1. See here in DFA2, the first state 1 to 3 which is receiving B as an input and which is going to pass A as an output to the next state. So the work of A and C in DFA1 will be performed by the first state 1 to 3 in DFA2. So here both the DFA which is going to perform the same work and which is going to produce some same output and which is differing based on the state names and the state numbers. In first DFA, total number of states that we have here is total is 5, A, B, C, D and E. And then in DFA2, total number of states that we have is 4. So though DFA1 and DFA2 which is going to perform the same work, here we are going to take the DFA2 as an solution for this problem, because which is going to have some minimum number of states comparing to DFA1, and we are going to use this DFA2 as an prototype for lexical analyzer. Always to implement DFA as a lexical analyzer, We would generally prefer DFA with few states. So this is going to be the solution for this question. And the important thing that I have to uh, say here is, it is to be noted that there is always a unique minimum state DFA for any regular language. However, this minimum state DFA for any regular language can be constructed from any by grouping sets of equivalent states. So this is going to be the solution for this question. So this is going to be one of the very important topic in compiler design. So whenever that we are going to choose DFA, always we have to choose the DFA with minimum number of states. So thank you for listening. Thank you, students. Thank you.